My name's Kevin.
My name is Mark, and we're going to show you what it's like to live and ride in northern Thailand.
And we're going to do that by exploring the places and the culture that makes Thailand so incredibly unique.
Today we're going to be taking our bikes to a local Thai bike tuner.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's get on the road then. Today we're at Horn Shop in the neighbourhood of Jedyod in Chiang Mai.
We're here to test our bikes on the rolling road and see how they perform for us today.
I brought my XSR here today to remap the ECU because I have an aftermarket exhaust system and air filter in the bike.
And I brought my totally stock Triumph Trident to see what kind of numbers it can pull on the dyno.
This is Mr. Horn, the shop owner, and he's going to be tuning the bikes here today. Sawadee krab. Sawadee krab.
Hey, let's go!
We've just done 9 runs with my bike on the rolling road and it maxed out at 117.5 brake horsepower. We're actually going to come back next Saturday to put the bikes on again and flash them this time. He reckons my bike will push about 123 brake horsepower after that. Just thinking, like, when they're finished my bike, do you know what we need to do? We need to get the bikes out for a performance run, but I'm not sure where we should take them. Any ideas?
I've got just the place.
Yeah?
Yes, I do. Let's do this.
Really?
Trust me, it's going to be awesome.
This is absolutely ridiculous, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway. Let's get a lap time in.
Doing?
Mate, this isn't working at all. The bike's far too big. I'm gonna make a call.
Who are you going to call?
Haha, you'll see.
Okay, we'll see.
Hello, what's going on?
Hey man, how's it going?
Good, what's up?
Well, having a bit of a problem today. I was wondering if you could help me out.
Yeah, what's going on? What do you need?
I need a couple of bikes. Could you sort me out?
Yeah, what do you need? You want some 2-strokes?
2 strokes. We're down at the go-kart track. How long will you be? 15 minutes. Perfect, I'll see you then.
Sounds good.
Okay, cheers man, see you in a bit. Here they come.
Oh.
We've got a couple of friends today here with the winning time. We've got Newell with a 39-second lap.
And this is Trevor with his award-winning time of 1 hour and 46 seconds.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that today, that was awesome. Okay, and our winning lap time today with 34 seconds goes to Eric on the Yamaha Aerox.
Next time on Naked in Thailand, we're going to take our bikes back to Mr. Hon's, get them tuned and take them for a fresh.
As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to turn on the notifications and actually, do you want to say it this time?
Yeah, alright then. Let's get naked.